Do you know you can speak wealth into existence? That's right. What you speak about, you create. What you think about, you create. So if you catch yourself speaking about things that are referring to lack and scarcity, like, why am I always broke? Why is my bank account such a disaster? Why can't I have more money in my life? Then you are speaking lack and scarcity into existence. Your words, your thoughts have power. There's a saying that thoughts become things, and this is why. Because your thoughts are frequency and vibration. You get what you focus on most of the time. So your dominant thoughts, your dominant focus is creating your world, your life, moment by moment by moment. If you want to create something different, then you've got to focus on something different. So I'm going to issue you a challenge. I want you to start from this moment forward speaking wealth into existence, which means you only speak about wealth. You speak about the ways that you're going to create wealth. You speak about how you are going to live when you create wealth. You speak about the kind of things that you want to do that you will be able to do when you are wealthy. You speak wealth into existence. Don't believe me? Prove me wrong. Start speaking wealth into existence from this point forward. What does that look like to you? What do you want to create? How will your life be different when you are wealthy? Start speaking about it. Don't speak about it to the people who are the dream stealers, who are going to put you down and, give you the side eye like you're a crazy person. Surround yourself with people who will support you, who will believe in you, who will help you and encourage you on your journey to creating this wealth, because you need people around you who believe in you until you can believe enough in yourself, because self-belief is a huge part of this process. And the more you speak it into existence, the more you will start to see evidence. And once you start seeing evidence, like little things, pay attention, really increase your sense of awareness. Start seeing how the universe will organize itself around your intention. True story. So, how are you going to start speaking wealth into existence? What kind of things are you going to start saying? Think about what a wealthy person would say, how they would say it, the way they would speak, and start to speak like that, because when you become it, you will create it. See, this is the thing. We have this thing where it's like, oh, when I have this, then I'll be happy. Or when I have this, then I'll be able to do that, and then I'll feel satisfied. It's have, do, be. It's totally backwards. It's be, do, have. So you be the person that you want to be. You become that person. You do the things that you need to do to create the result that you want. Then you achieve the result. It's be, do, have. You can't create it backwards. So start speaking wealth into existence from this point forward and pay attention. I'm not saying that you're going to be a billionaire in a week, but you will start to notice subtle shifts, subtle changes in the way you think, in the results that you start to get. And that is your proof and your evidence that this works. And as that evidence mounts, you will see momentum starts to shift, because your belief gets more intense. And then as your belief actually increases in this and how this works, then you put more focus, you put more attention, you put more energy into speaking wealth into existence, and you then start to expect to see results. And you don't get what you deserve, and you don't get what you want, you get what you expect. So when you actually have faith and trust in this working, it just blows the whole thing up. You start to build momentum, it all compounds, and you will start to see things change very quickly when that starts to happen. So start the process right now. You are infinitely powerful. You have the ability to create, be, do, and have anything you put your mind to, because you are a powerful creative force. Now, if you would like help to actually make progress faster on creating your life by design, then check out my Create Your Wealth by Design workshop. The link is in the description below. It's totally free. If you have not checked that out yet, then go and check that out now. And if you would like another video that's going to really shift your mindset on helping you to create your wealth by design, then you can check this one out. It's an EFT tapping video. You're going to absolutely love it. I'll see you in that one next.